everyone, it's Sammy, and today I have a scrap date for you guys, a scrappy update. I ended up getting some more pegboard at IKEA and updating the side of my Kallax. I just hung some on the side, so I want to show that to you guys really quick. Alrighty, that's what it looks like. It does come out a little bit. I wanted to screw it into the actual screw holes. There's options to screw it into whatever screw holes you have, and then you can make screw holes. So if it was flush against the Kallax unit, the screw hole would be like right here and I'd have to make a hole, and I didn't want to do that just in case I want to take it down. I don't want to be left with holes. So it does stick out significantly more, you know, this much more versus this much. But I'm okay with that. And I just put pictures on it for now. You can see I have 2 more shelves that I'm going to hang up, and all sorts of kids stuff everywhere. Always. They're always in here messing around. Ended up getting some clips and these elastics, and you can see the elastics are not that great. They're probably my least favorite of all of the IKEA pegboard things because they do not hold pictures very well. You can see one slid down, like they're slidey and they don't fit the greatest. But the clips work really good, and I can stick 2 pictures on each clip if I want to. So in the future, I won't get any more of these elastics. I've tried them quite a few times and I just don't like them. But the rest of it looks real good, and I like how it is. So sweeping over to my messy spot here, I have these shelves, and Johnny's gonna bevel the edges and then put the next one across here. So that's the plan for those shelves that I just got. And that's it. And I just want to talk a little bit. I have not printed those Project Life layouts. I ended up ordering all of them through the app, and when I went to submit the order, it looked like it went through, but then I never got an email. I never got a confirmation like on the screen. And so I ended up waiting to see if it came out of my credit card statement. It never came out. I couldn't find it in the app, like looking for my order history. It wasn't there. And then I ended up emailing Becky Higgins, Project Life company, and they said the order did not go through. So I was thinking at the end of February, I was like, oh, I'll just order them at the end of February. And then all heck broke loose with spring break and other things going on, and totally haven't ordered them. We're a few days till the end of March, and I will end up ordering after April 1st because I want all the March layouts done. I'm this close. I've got like 3 more pictures to put in the next couple of days, and then I will have those Project Life pages complete all the way through March. And I was really proud of myself. I've stuck with the photo a day, and I can't wait to share that with you when I finally get the Project Life prints done. It's gonna be like a $200 order because I have so many that I have not printed yet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you guys the pegboard situation, and that's all. I have not been traditional scrapbooking at all. I'll grab one thing and then you'll see more on the pegboard. I just have a little pile of pictures that are ready to be scrapbooked, but like the girls flip through these, they're just sitting in a little container on my desk. Like puppy pictures, dance pictures, things like that. It's just a little pile of cute little pictures that when I'm doing the photo a day, I'll print a few here and there and stick in this pile to be scrapbooked at some point. Have not been scrapbooking, I said this in one of my lifestyle videos, but I'm like, I feel like I've been treading water all of March, never posted any videos on this channel, never did any sort of scrapping or crafty time. All the things kind of fell off, and that happens to me every spring. Like after the first part of the year, I get into this lull, and then things just go awry, and then I never pick it back up, but I'm committing to picking it back up. I'm gonna print those prints and continue to work towards getting some scrappy goodness done. But I was really proud of myself for having some printed, and I can just use these as needed as well, but I have just not been in the mood to scrapbook. I've been having major migraine issues the last couple months. All of my crafty mojo is just gone at this point, but hopefully I'll get it back and I'll get those Project Life prints, and you can go through the albums with me, organizing them some too. So that's something to look forward to. Anyway, I hope you guys like this really quick scrap update. Be sure to like, subscribe so you can follow me along. That way you'll know when I post videos on this channel, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.